Hi, good evening, YouTube. It's me, Loretta, your favorite retail therapist. I wanted to come and make a quick video. Wasn't feeling well today, so I didn't go to work. And I finally got myself up enough to do something today, so I decided I would decorate these pumpkins. And I got the pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. And I also got the thumbtacks from the Dollar Tree. So these are dollar store pumpkins decorated with dollar store thumbtacks. And here's one. I just left it plain orange. This is actually one that had a hole, one of the corks that come out. But what I did was I took a old battery. I keep stuff. An old battery and some twine. And I actually just glued the battery into the hole and then just glued twine all around the battery to make a top for it. And I thought the twine was very appropriate for this time of year. I also painted this one green. I don't love it, but I like it. And once they're all together, I think I'll like it even better. And here's another one, again, with the twine top. And this one, I just kind of went through it with some gold. And I think this is the one that we're going to do right now. So very simply, just starting, and I'm going to do these the opposite of where I painted the gold. Again, you're not stressing yourself out. You're just letting the pins do what they want to do. Make a masterpiece. They all can be different. Pumpkins don't spot and turn identical. So again, just flow with it. Have a good time. Again, we're creating our space. And once I throw them all in a basket, I just want that light to pop up off of them. I'm going to go a little bit further down this time. Again, not aiming for perfection. I have to remember that I dropped that so I don't step on it later, because I love to walk around with my bare feet. That's probably the most country thing about me. I'm a city girl, but I do love to walk around bare feet. Again, I'm just committing to wherever the pins fall. That's the commitment. That's what I'm going with. I got the salt shakers to do the tops with, but they were too high. But no worries. If I know me the way I know me, they'll come in handy for another project. Okay, that's two that I dropped on the floor. I have to sweep in here before I leave out of here tonight. Again, I'm just following the pattern, and I'm just going right under where I've already been. This is so easy. You can actually get your kids to help you with this. You don't need a whole lot of any level of craft skills to do this. Again, really just getting everything kind of laid out. And then I'm going to put everything out, and then I'm going to make a video, and we'll see everything when it comes together. Karen 1310, thank you for the video tip. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video and sending me your feedback. I was out today with my cape. I meant to do an outfit of the day, I was out with my denim cape on today. And I went to the doctor, and the doctor wanted to know, where did you get this cape? Oh my God. And she was so saddened when she realized that I didn't buy it, that I made it. But I did tell her how to make it. So she's interested in learning how to make my denim skirt into a cape. Or if you're interested, just go back a few videos and you'll see a video of me turning a plain denim skirt, I shouldn't say plain, a unique denim skirt into a beautiful cape, and I just absolutely love it. I have no regrets about cutting that beautiful skirt. And I always say, once you buy it, it's yours. You can do whatever you want with it. So yeah, there it is. Very simply, dollar store pumpkins, a little bit of paint, and some push pins from the Dollar Tree, and a little twine. Again, twine and some push pins. I think I'm going to leave these as they were. I thought I was going to push pin them, but they have like speckles on them already. I think that's enough. And I'm going to put these out. I do want to show you, I got something from the dollar store today for 25 cents. And I'm going to put these outside in the yard on both sides of the house. Home sweet home. And these were actually falling apart. And I just re-glued them. And I got 2 of them for 25 cents each. So my dollar store, always when you walk in, they have a bucket, I guess, full of things that they feel are not going to sell. And I have buyer's regret because I should have bought them all, because I could have gave them out as gifts. 25 cents each at my dollar store. And I just re-glued them, reinforced them. I have one of them over here baking. And we're going to put those out on our entryway as we come in. I've had one more thing to show you. I found this at a thrift shop. It was $24.99 from Home Goods. And I know I showed you my paper that I'm going to do the Mod Podge, the Popsies. And I'm going to actually put this in my office because my curtains are red and my furniture is black. And so I'm going to actually hang this in on one of my walls as an addition to the other art that I'm going to create. So yeah, I just want to share that with you really, really quick as we take this journey on harvest time. A little bit more glue in here. I don't want this to lose its shape. So just add a little bit more glue in there. Try not to touch the glue because I want it to dry clear. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. More videos to come. I'm trying to be more committed in making videos. So stay tuned. More videos to come. Good night. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.